Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ciara. If you're new, hey guys, welcome. Be sure to subscribe down below and join the squad. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be doing a 1 hour makeup get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my basic skincare that I do every day pretty much. I'm going to do a little light beat on my eyes. I'm going to slay this with a wig, and we're just going to put on a cute little outfit and show you guys my transformation from hit to hopefully cute. So yes guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. When I did my face, I used my Kate Somerville scrub with my cleansing brush, and I just did that. Now I'm going to be going in with my Mario Badescu spray. So I'm going to spritz this on my face, and we're just going to let this dry. Shout out to Casey K Lashes, King Killer. Don't mind my nails. Yes. So then I'm going to go in with my Clinique moisturizing gel. I'm trying to give you guys the view so you can see it, but there we go. So I'm just going to take a little small amount and place that around my face. This leaves my skin feeling so like moisturized, and it just gives it a nice little shine, not too much. So yes, that's what I do for that. And then we're gonna move on to the brows. We're gonna do the brows. So I'm going to do my brows off camera because it takes a little longer. So we'll hop right back in with my brows already done. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm going to create my kind of cut crease for my glitter. Don't judge me guys, this is like my second time doing this, but we're gonna make it work for this video. camera died, so right now all I'm doing is applying my concealer. Right now I'm currently setting my under eye, my nose, and my chin, but I only do this for about 2 to 5 seconds. Okay guys, so here is the final look after I installed my wig. Also, I will link this down below because when I tell you guys this wig is bomb and it was only like $113. Yes, so get you one. I will link it down below. I got it from Amazon. But yes, this is my final look. You know, the hair and the makeup, and I'll show you guys the outfit as well. Yeah guys, so this is the outfit right here. The shirt is from Shein. These pants are from Target, and the boots are from Madden. So yeah, this is my get ready with me. The wig, you know. Excuse the little mess in the back, but you know, this is. So this is my 1 hour get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said earlier, I will link this wig down below because it's very cute. Very affordable. It's only a little bit over $100. It's very easy to manage and it's very luscious. You cannot go wrong, girl. So get you one, and also if you enjoyed this video, let me know any other ones that you would like to see from me. Just leave them in the comments and then give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.